Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this very delicious fish roll. Okay, so now I want you to sit back and let's just dive into this video. First of all, we are going to start by boiling in our fish. You can use any type of fish you want, mackerel fish or whatever fish you have. So I'll just go ahead, boil my fish. After it is okay, I'll just bring it out and I'll debone. Please make sure you are deboning if you're giving children. Even if you're not giving your kids, make sure you're deboning. After deboning, this is what it looks like. In another pan, you go in with some vegetable oil, then you go in with your onion, saute it for a bit. If you're making fish roll, I promise you you'll be needing onion, but some people don't like onion. You can skip it if you don't want. So you go ahead and you add in some pepper for that heat. You stir it properly, just like I'm doing here. After that, you go ahead and you add your shredded carrot. When making your fish roll, you need shredded carrot. Like this is one ingredient you don't want to mix. You mix everything together, going with your curry powder, your salt, and any seasoning of your choice. Then you go ahead and you give it a quick stir. This is the only thing you need for seasoning. You don't need much. So after that, you go ahead with your shredded fish, the fish we deboned earlier. You go ahead and you add it. At this point, after adding it, you just go ahead and you mix everything together, turn it just like I'm doing here. Please friends, if you're new here and you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube will help and push my video to greater audience. Okay, so after this, you go ahead and you add your water from your fish, and that is it. Our filling is ready. Then in another bowl, you go in with 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We are going to be using 3 cups. Then you go in with 2 tablespoons of sugar. You go in with half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder. You sieve. Please, whenever you're baking anything at all, make sure you're sifting your flour. There's a reason why. At times there might be weevils in your flour or maybe any dirt particle you can see. So you don't need all these things. So just make sure you are sieving your flour whenever you are baking anything. Then you go ahead and you add 2 tablespoons of margarine. If you have butter, you can use it. Then you go in with 1 egg. After that, you are going to be using 1 cup of milk here. Then you go ahead and you give everything a good or quick mix, anyone you want to call it. Yeah, so you go ahead and you mix it. Here we are trying to combine our dough. We are not trying to knead. Your fish roll don't need kneading. You can see that my milk was not enough, so I went ahead and added a little bit more milk. So you need till you bring together till your dough gets to look like this, just like this. You don't need to knead it too much. After that, you cover it for it to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you bring it out. Then you cut them into your desired shape. Here we are just I'm just going to use my knife and just cut them the way I want it. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm pleading because I am a new YouTuber who is trying to grow her YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share my videos to your friends and family. So here we are going to use our rolling pin and we are going to roll it out. Please, whenever you're rolling, make sure you are putting flour on your work surface because at times your dough can be sticky and you don't want that. So the flour will help everything just be smooth. After rolling it out like this, you can see how it is. You don't need it to be too thick because you are going to roll this thing together again back. So you're going to add your fillings just here. You add your fillings, and there's 2 methods I used to roll my fish roll. This one is the first method. You just roll everything together, but the problem with this one is after rolling it, there will be opening by the side, and when you're frying, this can actually pour inside your hot oil. So if you don't want to do this, I'll show you another method. This is the second method you can use to roll your fish roll. So after putting in your fillings like this, just like I did here, you use flour and water to seal it up. Then you are going to wrap it the way you wrap your shawarma. Yes, you are going to bring the 2 sides together. Then you wrap like this, wrap tightly. You still use that your mixture to seal it up like this so it doesn't open when you are frying. You can see this one was better than the first one because the mouth of these ones, they are way closed. Like look at it, see the way it's looking. This is another way you can actually wrap it. Then in your hot oil, you go ahead and fry. Please don't make the mistake I made here. Your oil don't need to be overly hot. Okay, so after frying, this is what your fish roll is going to look like. This is how it is going to come out, and it will be delicious. I promise you, golden brown like this, and everything is perfect. Just take a look at that. Just look at how our fish roll came out. Like this fish roll was very, very delicious, like better than the ones you will buy in the market. So just look at the inside, very succulent. Thank you guys for watching, and please, I'm begging you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because this really go a long way for me and it will encourage me to post more. Thank you guys until I come your way next time. Bye bye.